underwear, Devin?
It's our.
Those are your underwear.
Yeah.
Whoa! Hold on, Devin.
Mopar! What, bud?
House.
Yeah, a birdhouse on there.
Yeah.
Well, should we take apart some of this motor today?
Yeah.
All right, bud. Well, we got the motor out, a little bit of progress. Now we got to take it all apart. Needs a new crankshaft, I believe, because I don't know if you can see it real well. The piston rod's not good. Anyway, got tools coming to get the centrifugal clutch off. We need another tool to install the change clutch. It needs an oil pump that bolts right in there on that flat piece, because the old one is disintegrated. Your motorcycle?
Yeah.
Your wheeler?
Yeah.
Well, it had a damaged seal right behind the pull starter. I don't know if they call it a pull starter cog or what they call it. I'll have to look it up, but anyway. I might do the measurements and see how bad that crank is. I don't know. Yeah, it's got quite a bit of wear. See the marks from the factory in there. Oh, there's the cam. A little bit of wear. You want to listen to Chammy?
Yeah.
It goes there. And your pull starter goes on top of that. You got your stator behind there, so let's take a look at that next. Well, the stator looks okay. I'm going to test it, make sure that it's got all of its electrical pathways are proper or what have you. Make sure it's doing its job before I put it together. I don't see any burn spots, so I don't suspect any problems. Engine was running. I got it running before we before we found the oil pump was shot or shattered, as you can see. Looks pretty clean otherwise, so far. This looks all pretty normal. A little bit of wear where the seal went against this output shaft. This is the main shaft of the transmission. It'll even pop out the front there. And that's the front drive shaft. Here's the rear drive shaft. Yoke goes on here. Everything looks pretty normal. A little bit dirty for me, but it's all going to get cleaned. Cleaned, inspected, measured. And anything damaged or worn is going to get replaced. Looking pretty good so far. Boom!
I know
What? You found more candy?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Alright, well, have a candy.
Dad,
Here's the tool we've been waiting for.
Dad,
I don't know the exact part numbers here.
Daddy,
Let's see how this one works.
look.
I think it came from Taiwan.
Look it.
What do you...
Look.
You got M&M guy on there?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Well, he's got more candy. What do you do? Alright, well, let's get this one off of here.
Dad.
Hey, bud, what are you doing? You're flying like Spider-Man? Oh, it's windy enough, ain't it? Imagine that, winding. Oh, that's pretty dang good, this tool. Pushed her right off of there. Don't need much force at all. Comes up there pretty good. Well, the inspection continues. Let's see what's going on with everything. Make sure we don't have any more metal filings in there. Check the cam really good and everything else. There's quite a bit of junk down in the bottom. It's making me nervous now. Here's the camshaft. It's got some odd looking wear on it, but I think it's mostly from when it overheated. It's gonna need some measurements before I determine whether it needs to be replaced or not. They seem mostly like heat marks. And the crankshaft also had these weird little marks on there. I don't know if you can see that. Right there, almost every one of these got it. Kind of interesting. I haven't seen that pattern on there before. The clutches look good, nothing major. I'll get a new cam chain, new guides, possibly a new one of these just to be sure. I don't like this mark here. Clutches look pretty good. I'm gonna roll with them. I'll get a new nut for each one, of course. It's supposed to replace these. But I gotta order some more tools before we go much further. I need one stupid little tool to get that flywheel off. It's part of the stator and alternator type system for these engines. The rest looks pretty good. I think she's getting a new crank and definitely a new balancer on the inside. Let's see if we can right down in there, right below the crankshaft. You can see it just barely moving down there. That sucker, the oil pump bolts right into the back of it. I think there's damage since the oil pump is missing chunks. Right there, the end of that shaft. Broke the little knob off of there when she seized. Anyway, thanks for watching.
So fun.
There it is from a different view. Oh, we used up both lanes, didn't we?
Yep.
Uncle John's gonna like that one.
Wonder what he's gonna say when he sees it.
I don't know. I'll tell him to keep his eyes open though.